Have you ever felt like you're stuck in the past, unable to move forward? This was the reality for a 70-year-old man trapped in the clutches of a masturbation addiction that left him feeling tethered to his past. The addiction served as an anchor, a heavy weight that kept him from progressing in life. His days were filled with a sense of stagnation, a feeling of being stuck in a loop, a cycle that was hard to break. He was haunted by a nagging sense of unfulfilled potential, a constant reminder of the person he could have been but wasn't. The dreams he had for himself, the goals he had set, all seemed to be slipping away, kept just out of reach by this powerful addiction. He felt like a ship stuck in a harbour, unable to set sail into the vast expanse of the sea. Sometimes an addiction can be like a chain, keeping us bound to where we are instead of where we could be. How many times have you felt alone, even when surrounded by people? This was the reality of a 70-year-old man trapped in the grip of a lifelong addiction to masturbation. His struggle was not just physical but emotional, preventing him from forming the meaningful relationships that define our human existence. Like a ship adrift in a storm, he found himself in a cycle of failed connections. Each failed relationship was a beacon of hope extinguished, replaced by a deepening sense of loneliness and isolation. The addiction was a fortress, impregnable, isolating him from the world outside. This emotional desert was not just a byproduct of the addiction, but it fueled it. The more alone he felt, the more he turned to his addiction, creating a vicious cycle that only served to deepen his isolation. An addiction can be a wall blocking us from forming the connections we crave. Have you ever sacrificed long-term goals for short-term pleasures? This was the narrative of the man's life as his addiction to masturbation led him down a path of poor financial choices. He traded his career performance for fleeting moments of satisfaction, a choice that had far-reaching consequences. His ability to excel, to climb the ladder of success, was overshadowed by the voracious need for instant gratification. The price he paid was not just financial. His physical health took a severe hit. He was constantly fatigued, straining his eyes and enduring severe back pain. His hair began to thin and his immune system weakened, making him susceptible to a barrage of illnesses. It was as though his body was echoing the turmoil that was happening within. He learned the hard way that the price of gratification is steep, a lesson many often learn too late. Sometimes the cost of temporary pleasure can be a lifetime of regret. Can you count the opportunities you've missed because you were too focused on something else? Just like a dense fog on a winding road, an addiction can cloud our vision, making it difficult to see the path ahead. This man's addiction to masturbation was no different. It acted as a fog, obscuring his vision to the countless life opportunities that lay before him. The haze of immediate gratification blinded him to the possibilities for personal growth, the chance to cultivate new skills, to explore new hobbies, or to embark on exciting adventures. It also clouded his professional vision, making him overlook the potential for career advancements, entrepreneurial ventures, or even the simple joy of excelling in his chosen field. He realized too late that the fog of addiction had kept him from seeing the full tapestry of life, from experiencing the rich variety of opportunities that could have brought him joy, fulfillment, and success. An addiction can be a fog, clouding our vision and causing us to miss out on life's opportunities. Do you believe in the power of change? Change is possible even in the face of seemingly insurmountable challenges. Our protagonist discovered this truth as he embarked on a transformative journey. A lifelong struggle with masturbation had left him feeling lost and hopeless, but he found solace in an unlikely place. In faith, prayer, and the study of the Bible, he discovered a wellspring of strength and hope. This journey wasn't easy. It required commitment, a willingness to face his demons, and an unwavering belief in the possibility of change. But through it all, he found a source of inner strength that he never knew existed. His story is a testament to the power of faith and the human spirit, a beacon of hope for others navigating similar struggles. Remember, it's never too late to change, and if you've been touched by this story, don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. Together we can make a difference.